Hey everyone, welcome back. I have got a cocktail today that is definitely going to go in a little bit of a different direction than what we've done so far. We've done a lot of modern classic cocktails and just classic cocktails and some sweet cocktails. This one is going to be a modern cocktail that came right out of Nashville that includes a little bit of Mezcal and Green Chartreuse, two things that you typically don't see together too often. And that is all going to form our Seaport cocktail. For this cocktail, it is going to be a shaken cocktail, so make sure you have your shaker tins ready to go, your jigger for accurate measurement. This is going to go in a coupe glass this time, so make sure you've got one of those ready to go. You are going to need orange bitters, pineapple juice, fresh lemon juice, simple syrup, green chartreuse, and mezcal for this particular cocktail. As always, ingredients are going to be listed down below so that way you can build the cocktail right along with me. We're going to start with our orange bitters, and I know everyone came at me in the comments about the type of bitter bottle I have. So if you're using a regular bitter bottle, you want to do 2 dashes. Mine is a Japanese style, so it is a little bit smaller. So I'm going to actually do 4. And then we are going to do half an ounce of our simple syrup. If I can get it to come out. Half an ounce of our fresh lemon juice. Ooh, that came out fast. 1 full ounce of our pineapple juice. Make sure that you give that a nice shake before you go to pour it. Otherwise, you're going to get a lot of the pulp that's going to sit at the bottom. It's going to give it a little bit of an off flavor. So just keep that in mind. Then we're going to do half an ounce of our green chartreuse. This is definitely not, it's becoming more popular in cocktails. It's not something that everybody has in their cabinet at home. So I realized that, but I wanted to do something different. And then we have 1.5 ounces of your favorite brand of Mezcal. And then as always, we are going to add our ice to our shaker tin, and we are going to shake for roughly about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's nice and ice cold in our hands. Woo! Almost lost my ice bucket. Super frothy. And again, we did use our fresh lemon juice and that pineapple juice, so make sure we have our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer for this particular cocktail. Ooh, the aroma is crazy. All right, and we're gonna double strain right into our coupe glass. Okay, for the garnish on this particular cocktail, normally I would do a pineapple frond, but sadly I do not have one of those. So instead, I am going to be using a lemon peel, but I'm going to give it a little bit of a twist here just to make it nice and bougie. And then I'm just going to set it right on the rim there. And there we have it. This is going to be our Seaport cocktail. Don't forget, guys, if you enjoy the cocktails, you like what I'm doing here and seeing my gorgeous face, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you've tried the cocktails, because this one's definitely one that is going to be a little bit more out there. But cheers until the next pour.